What is up, everyone? It is me, Amay. Today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels recolor of custom 1968 Camaro with white, gray, and red and black from SW Modified 710 with 81 out of 250. Customized cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personalized style. There's a General Motors trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have gray grille, pan just like with 68, rear, driver's side, and roof. The code says D14, that's the code. Okay, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.